Hello, welcome back to Farawa. Today, we will be making your plain, basic shortbread. Here are the ingredients you will need. 10 tablespoons, 1 1/4 stick of butter, room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla or almond extract, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. The materials you will need are a medium mixing bowl, a mixing spoon or fork, measuring cups only 1 1/2, measuring spoons only 1/2 teaspoon. First I am mashing 1 1/4 stick of butter in a bowl. Next, add the vanilla and mix it in. The butter might be a little hard to work with, so you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds to soften it up, but if you mix for a little while, it'll soon become less difficult. Then add the powdered sugar and mix some more. Add salt and mix. Then gradually add the flour while mixing. And no, you don't have to use your hands for this part. A fork or a mixer will do just fine. Next, take the dough and press it well. Shape it into a rectangular prism by hitting each side on the surface. Put it in the fridge for an hour or more. I wrapped it in beeswax cloth, but other methods will work too. Once you feel it is done cooling, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Slice, like so, about 1/2 inch thick or less rectangles. I cut my pieces a bit too thin, but it ended up alright. The thin dough is a bit delicate, so be careful. If it does break, that's fine, because you can just remold it. I rolled the crumbled pieces into spheres and pressed them to make round pieces. With a fork, poke holes in the dough pieces and bake for a total time of 10 minutes. Rotating the tray at 5 minutes, the halfway time. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool on a rack. I placed mine a little too close together, so I had to cut them out, but it didn't seem to affect them much. And there you have it. These go great with jam, or dip them in melted chocolate, and you can even cover that in something like granola or sprinkles for a fun and colorful look.